Hey guys, welcome back to my channel you all. So time right now is 7:12 and let's start our day with making a to-do list. So this is the to-do list for today. Let's start with our first task, which is chemical control and coordination ka revision. So I am done with revising this chapter and it took me 1.5 hours to completely revise this chapter. So let's cut it from our to-do list now. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of break and then I will start with electric charge ke short notes revision. Now I'm gonna start revising electric charges from my short notes and I'm gonna scribble down in my rough notebook while speaking it loud. So that is how I basically revise. So let's start. So time right now is 10:14 and I'm getting super late. I need to go. I did completed this revision, so I'm gonna cut it off from the to-do list. And now I'm gonna go take shower and get ready and go for the classes, and I'll see you after classes. So time right now is 4:24 and I'm gonna start with studying. तो सबसे पहले अभी मैं फिजिक्स रिवाइज करने वाली हूँ. फिजिक्स में जो आज क्लासेस में कराया मैं वो रिवाइज करूंगी एंड अभी क्लासेस में EMI चल रहा है तो वही रिवाइज करती हूँ. So now I'm done with physics class revision. It didn't took me much time because there was not much to revise. So now I'm gonna cut it from my to-do list. And now I'm gonna start with chemistry class revision. So chemistry class में भी carbonyl compounds chapter चल रहा है and आज इसके chemical reactions कराई थी aldehyde ketones की. So I'm gonna start with that. तो प्लान तो था कि मैं जस्ट आज जो कराया है क्लास में वही रिवाइज करूँ, बट देन आई रिवाइज द होल चैप्टर फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टिल व्हाट इज टॉट इन द क्लासेस. Because I almost forgot everything because we had chemistry class after a week. So I forgot everything which I studied earlier. So that is the reason I revised it whole from the NCERT as well as my notes. So I went back to my house after revising chemistry for dinner. And I came back at around 8:30. And now I'm gonna start with thermal properties of matter revision. So I'm gonna revise it from my short notes. It's been very long since I revised this chapter, so it took me quite a lot of time to fully revise this chapter. So now I'm end up revising this whole chapter, so I'm gonna cut it off from my to-do list. And after revising chapter, I got a little too tired, so I didn't wanted to solve questions of it immediately. So for break, I decided to study Animal Kingdom. तो Animal Kingdom I revised it from my NCERT only, and आज मैंने सिर्फ known coordinates वाला part revise करना है. I revised this chapter in 2 parts. It gets easier for me in that way. So now that I'm done revising Animal Kingdom known coordinates part, I'm gonna cut it off from my to-do list. And now I'm gonna start with thermal properties of matter के क्वेश्चन से. तो आज की टू डू लिस्ट में मैंने इसके सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी के क्वेश्चंस लिखे थे एंड आई एम सॉल्विंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस वंस अगेन. लाइक आई डिड सॉल्व देम अर्लियर. I don't feel that confident in these chapters, so I do want to solve all the questions once again. So I completed most of the questions and a little bit is still left of section B, but I need to go back home because my library just stays open till 12 a.m. So time right now is 12:17 and I made myself this Maggie. I'm gonna have it and we'll watch YouTube for some time. तो अभी मैं वापस से स्टार्ट करती हूँ थर्मल के क्वेश्चन से. तो सेक्शन बी के थोड़े से जो क्वेश्चंस बचे हुए हैं वो कंप्लीट करती हूँ एंड दिस विल बी द लास्ट थिंग दैट आई विल बी डूइंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज़ टाइम राइट नाउ इज ऑलरेडी 12:34. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट. So right now I am done with section B of thermal. Time right now is 1:15. So let's cut it from our to-do list. Still these two tasks are left which I will not be doing today. I'll be doing them tomorrow maybe. Also let me show you the result of AIATS. It is out now. So these are my scores. You can see I got 559 and you can also see the individual scores. So yeah. So that is it for today's video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.